Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now discussing the circles part 7. In this part we will discussing the three topics. First one conjugate points, second one conjugate lines, third one inverse points. For more videos please subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Okay. Now here first topic conjugate points. What are the conjugate points? The 2 points are said to be conjugate points if polar of one point passes through the other point. Polar of one point passes through the other point. So here let us consider the 2 points P and Q. The polar equation of the P passing through the Q point and here polar equation of the Q passing through the P point. Then the P and Q points are said to be conjugate points. So here condition, if P of x1, y1 and Q of x2, y2, 2 points are said to be conjugate points with respect to the circle SC equal to 0. Then S12 equal to 0. Ante S12 value 0 unte the points P of x1, y1 and Q of x2, y2 are conjugate points with respect to the circle SC equal to 0. So ikkada S means general equation of the circle. S12 notation, x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g of x1 plus x2 plus f of y1 plus y2 plus c. This value equal to 0 unte the given points P of x1, y1 and Q of x2, y2 are conjugate points. Okay. Next, conjugate lines. If P and Q are conjugate points with respect to the circle SC equal to 0, then the polars of P and Q are called conjugate lines with respect to the circle SC equal to 0. మనం బిఫోర్ నేర్చుకున్నాం కాంజుగేట్ పాయింట్స్. అక్కడ లైన్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, పాసింగ్ త్రూ ది P పాయింట్ అండ్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ ది Q పాయింట్. సో దీస్ టూ లైన్స్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ కాంజుగేట్ లైన్స్. డెఫినేషన్ ఇక్కడ, if P and Q are conjugate points with respect to the circle SC equal to 0, then the polars of P and Q are called conjugate lines with respect to the circle SC equal to 0. Ante ikkada line equations, this line is the polar of P, this line is the polar of Q. Then these lines L1 equal to 0 and L2 equal to 0 are called conjugate lines with respect to the circle SC equal to 0. This is the definition of the conjugate lines. Man conjugate lines ki two conditions unnai with respect to the circles. First circle standard form of the circle, second circle general equation of the circle. First one, the condition that the lines L1x plus M1y plus N1 equal to 0 and L2x plus M2y plus N2 equal to 0 to be conjugate with respect to the circle. First one, standard form of the circle, x square plus y square equal to r square is r square into L1 L2 plus M1 M2 equal to N1 N2. This is the first condition with respect to the circle x square plus y square equal to r square. Second one, ఇక్కడ general equation of the circle అయితే and the lines L1x plus M1y plus N1 equal to 0, L2x plus M2y plus N2 equal to 0 to be conjugate lines with respect to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is r square into L1 L2 plus M1 M2 equal to L1G plus M1F minus N1 into L2G plus M2F minus N2. This is the condition for conjugate lines with respect to the circle. Here circle, general equation of the circle. So here R square equal to G square plus F square minus C. R square equal to G square plus F square minus C. This is the value. This is the two conditions for conjugate lines. Okay. So next, one example for conjugate lines. So if lines kx plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0, 2x plus y plus 5 equal to 0 are conjugate with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. Then find the k value. Given lines are conjugate lines with respect to the circle. Then find the k value. So already మనం నేర్చుకున్నాం కండిషన్ ఇప్పుడే L1 L2 equal to 0. Two lines conjugate with respect to the circle. General equation of circle అంటే condition already మనం నేర్చుకున్నాం. Okay. So this is the condition if L1 equals 0, L2 equals 0 or conjugate lines with respect to the circle S equal to 0 is R square into L1 L2 plus M1 M2 equal to L1G plus M1F minus L1 into L2G plus M2F minus N2. So ఇక్కడ values అని చెక్ చేద్దాం. First circle equation given that x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. So comparing to general equation to find the g value, f value. So ఇక్కడ 2g value x co-option minus 2, g value minus 1. Y co-option 2f equal to minus 4, f equal to minus 2. So next radius r equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. And under root of g square 1 plus 4 plus 4. Root 9 value. C value minus 4 minus into minus plus. Root 9 value 3. R value 3. Next, what is L1, M1, N1? First given line. First line kx plus 3y minus 1. So here L1 value k, M1 value 3, N1 value minus 1. Next second line L2 equal to 2, M2 equal to 1, N2 equal to 5. Next మనం find out చేయవలసిన value L1G plus M1F minus L1. L1G plus M1F minus N1. This is the value L1G. L1G అంటే here G value minus 1, L1 value K అంటే minus K. Next M1F. M1 value 3, F value minus 2. 3 into minus 2 minus 6. N1 value minus 1, minus into minus plus 1. Next value L2G plus M2F minus N2 find out చేయాలి. L2G plus M2F minus N2. Here L2G value L2. Here 2 into G minus 1. 2 into minus 1 minus 1. M2F 1 into minus 2 minus 2. Here 5. అంటే వాల్యూ మనకి ఏమొస్తుందంటే minus 2 minus 2 n2 వాల్యూ 5 అంటే minus 5 here value is minus 9. సో మనం యూజ్ చేయవలసిన ఫార్ములా r square into L1 L2 plus M1 M2 equal to L1G plus M1F minus N1 next L2G plus M2F minus N2 అప్లై చేయాలి. So R value 3, R square value 9 into L1 L2 plus M1 M2. L1 L2 2 into K, 2K, 3 1s are 3. Here 2K plus 3 equal to first value మనకి ఫస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఏముంది అంటే minus K minus 6 plus 1. So here L1G plus M1F minus N1 value minus K minus 5. So here minus K minus 5. This is the second value minus 9. So here 9, 9 get cancelled. Remaining part 2k plus 3 equal to minus the multiply cheste k plus 5. So here 2k minus k equal to 5 minus 3. K equal to 2. This is your answer. Next, inverse points. So inverse point ante what is the definition? So here let C be the center of the circle or be the radius of the circle s equal to 0. 2 points P and Q are said to be inverse points with respect to the circle s equal to 0. ఇక 2 points P and Q inverse points అయితే what are the conditions ఇక్కడ చూద్దాం. First one, C, P and Q are collinear points. C means center of the circle. P and Q points. Here C, P and Q are collinear points. Collinear points means here C, P and Q lies on the same line. First condition. Second one, P and Q lies on the same side of C. P and Q point lies same side of the center of the circle. Next, third one, CP into CQ equal to R square. CP into CQ, C to P distance into C to Q distance equal to radius square. These conditions satisfy aithe P and Q are called inverse points. Now, some important aspects of inverse points. First one, if P lies inside the circle, then its inverse points lies outside of the circle. P point inside unte like this. P point inside of the circle, then inverse of P is outside of the circle. Next, if P lies on the circle, then inverse point of P itself. Ante P point lies on the circle aithe P point ki inverse point anedi PA avutundi. Okay, itself. Next, third one. Inverse point of center does not exist. Inverse point of the center of the circle does not exist. Next, inverse points are conjugate points. Inverse points are conjugate points, but converse not to be true. Inverse points అనేవి conjugate points అవుతాయి, but conjugate points అనేవి inverse points అనేవి need not to be true. Next, fifth one. Inverse points of the point if exist is unique. ఏదైనా పాయింట్ కి ఇన్వర్స్ పాయింట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయితే ఓన్లీ వన్ మాత్రమే ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుంది. Inverse point of a point if exist is unique. Next, last point. The inverse point of P with respect to the circle s equal to 0. Inverse point of P with respect to the circle s equal to 0 is the foot of the perpendicular from P or from center of the circle to the polar of P. For example, here P point inside of the circle unte polar equation outside of the circle. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇన్వర్స్ పాయింట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే here foot of the perpendicular from point P or center of the circle నుండి foot of the perpendicular find out చేస్తే పాయింట్ అనే ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే that is the inverse point of the P. ఓకే, ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇన్వర్స్ పాయింట్స్ ఆర్ కాంజుగేట్ పాయింట్స్ అన్నారు, అంటే పోలార్ ఆఫ్ P పాసింగ్ టు ది Q పాయింట్. These are the some important aspects of inverse points. Okay. One simple example here. If 6, 8 and k, 2 are inverse points with respect to the circle x square plus y square equal to 25, then find the 2k value. So, ikkada మనం యూజ్ చేయవలసిన కండిషన్ here fourth condition, inverse points are conjugate points. అంటే 2 points are conjugate points అయినప్పుడు కండిషన్ s12 equal to 0 తీసుకోవాలి. So here solution, given points P of 6, 8 and Q of k, 2. This is the x1, y1 and x2, y2 are ఇన్వర్స్ పాయింట్స్ ఇచ్చారు. ఇన్వర్స్ పాయింట్స్ ఆర్ కాంజుగేట్ పాయింట్స్. కాంజుగేట్ పాయింట్స్ అయితే కండిషన్ ఏంటి? S12 ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఓకేనా, మనం ఆల్రెడీ నేర్చుకున్నాం 4th పాయింట్. సో ఇక్కడ S12 ఈక్వల్ టు 0 తీసుకుందాం. సో S12 ఈక్వల్ 0 given circle x square plus y square equal 25. Now S12 equal to 0 means x1 x2 plus y1 y2 minus 25 equal to 0. So here x1 x2 6 into k plus 8 into 2 minus 25 equal to 0. 6k plus 8 2 is 16 minus 25 equal to 0. Here 6k, here 16 minus 25. 16 minus 25 minus 9 equal to 0. 6k equal to 9, k equal to 9 by 6, value 3 by 2. Here k equal to 3 by 2. మనం find out చేయవలసిన value 2k. 2k equal to 2 into 3 by 2. Here 2 get cancelled. Your answer is 3. Okay. So ఇక్కడ inverse points are conjugate points. Thank you everyone. For more videos, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Have a nice day. Bye.